Okay, good day everyone. Yeah, welcome to today's tutorial. For this tutorial, somebody requested from me how to download files like maybe Photoshop or maybe Adobe Illustrator or something like that. So basically, what you just need, I created the file and I'm going to attach this in the description, but it's just quite simple. What you just need is you go to this website, this webtor.io, webtor, webtor.io, which is what I am currently. Then you're just going to copy. I'm going to put a list of magnet files. So let's say I want to download this Photoshop 2026. What I'm just going to do is come here and then copy this file. I'm not going to copy the two apostrophe at the back. So you're just going to copy this. So I'm going to copy this. That magnet file, you are going to copy it from the beginning to the ending. Same thing for this one. Then you are going to come here and then you paste it. So once you paste it, you search. Then once you search, this is it. So what you are just going to do is come here and then click on download. Then once you download it, you have a file. Same thing too. Let's say I want to download the Illustrator. So I'm going to give you many magnet link. So they call it magnet hash link or something like that. Magnet link here. So I'm going to write a lot different version, maybe Photoshop 2025, Photoshop 2024, and every other version like that. I'm going to put for Photoshop and Illustrator mainly. I'm going to copy this one as well. Then I'll come here and I'll paste it. Then I click on search. So once I click on search, I have my file. And then I'm just going to download it like this. And once I click on download, you see that my file is already downloading. So that's just it, guys. Thank you for staying through this tutorial. I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.